So this is the Roco HO scale model of the classic Swiss State Railway Ae3. It's a completely new build model, so they've incorporated quite a lot of technology and just general finessing. So very fine pantographs. The little clips either side unhook it and hook it up. All the details are supplied on the loco. I think there's a bag of parts for things for the display case, things that would perhaps be too fragile for everyday running. Got Swiss style head and tail lights. You could put the red tail light there on function 15. And there are also cabin and engine room lights, which I'll show later in the dark, so they shine out better. The engine room lights, you can see them, but without the strip lamps on, they'll be better. It's a Zemo factory fitted sound decoder. I think they use a compressor to drive the whistle. It sounds like a steam whistle. It's 26 functions on the decoder. And so very characteristic sound. You might be able to see the blue flash in the second window there as it goes through the resistor banks. Tail steel there. Compressor. So really nicely done. We quickly turn the sound off. And sound's still turning off. It's got a lot of rundown to do, but just wanted to show the quality of the mechanism without the sound. It's a nice smooth mechanism. And just to show, the loco has a power pack that'll keep it going on dirty tracks. It just grabs it a second or so. So I've turned the lights down in the room just to show some of the lighting features a bit clearer. We've got headlights, tail lights, function 15 switches to a red tail light, which I believe is for wrong direction running on the Swiss State Railways. We've got engine room lights there, which really show it better now. My strip lamps were overwhelming them earlier. And we've got cab lights at each end. So 10 and 11 to control those. Okay, if we switch the main sound on, so you get the blue flash as it goes through the resistor banks. looks more visible in a darkened room than under big strip lamps. There we are.